Hello everyone, welcome to Ekascloud online courses. In today's video, I am going to explain how to define runtime variables in Terraform. In this topic, first I am going to give you a definition of runtime variables. Runtime variables are values that are provided or modified during the execution of a program or process. Rather than being hard-coded or predefined, these variables can be set by the user or by the environment at the time of execution, allowing for flexibility and customization without altering the underlying code base. For an example of using runtime variables in Terraform, a tool for building, changing, and versioning infrastructure safely and effectively. In Terraform, you can pass runtime variables using the var flag. This is a sample syntax for using Terraform runtime variables. Here, Terraform plan var allow underscore IP equals 10.10.10.10/32. This command sets the allow hyphen IP variable to the specific IP address during the execution of the Terraform plan command. Terraform is indeed the keyword representing the Terraform command line interface, and plan is a subcommand you are using to instruct Terraform to generate an execution plan. And var allow underscore IP is an option provided to the Terraform plan command. It specifies a variable named allow underscore IP with a value 10.10.10.10/32. This allows you to pass variable values directly through the command line. Next, I'm going to show you how to remove system variables and Terraform project variables from project directory and system environment variables in Windows. First, I'm going to remove system environment variables. Here I'm going to system environment properties, select this, and here I have created a system environment variable. I'm going to remove this ID and save the changes. Now I removed my system environment variables. After that, I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. Here I'm going to remove the variable blocks. I'm not going to remove the full block. I'm going to comment the description. /star followed by this is multi-line command. Now, if I run Terraform plan command, it will prompt to enter IP address through the console. I'm entering into my project directory. Here I'm going to execute that Terraform plan command. var.allow underscore IP, enter a value. If you enter some value here, it will automatically reflected in all the places of our project directory folder. Now if you give apply command, it will automatically create and reflect all the changes into our project directory. Before applying this, I'm going back to my presentation. Now I'm going to explain the impact of removing variables. If a system environment variables and Terraform project variables are removed or not provided, running Terraform plan may prompt the user to enter values for these variables during runtime. This ensures that the necessary values are provided dynamically, allowing for greater flexibility and adaptability. Now I'm going to explain the advantages of runtime variables. First advantages is flexibility. Runtime variables allow for dynamic configuration without modifying the source code or configuration files. Second one is customization. Users can tailor the behavior of a program or process by providing different values for runtime variables. Third one is security. Sensible information like passwords or sensitive data can be passed securely during runtime without exposing them in configuration files. And last advantages is ease of use. Users can quickly modify the behavior of a program without having to restart it or make changes to the source code. Next, we are going to see about the disadvantages of runtime variables. First one is dependency on user input. Relying on user input, runtime can introduce errors if the input is incorrect or inconsistent. Second one is complexity. Managing multiple runtime variables can increase the complexity of configuration and maintenance. Third one is debugging. Debugging runtime issues can be more challenging compared to static configurations since variables values are determined during execution. And last one is security risk. Improper handling of runtime variables, especially sensitive data, can pose security risk if not managed carefully. At last, we are going to see about conclusion. Runtime variables offer significant advantages in terms of flexibility, customization, and security. They allow for dynamic configuration of programs and processes. It enables adaptation to changing requirements and environments without modifying the underlying code base. However, they also come with challenges such as dependency on user input, increased complexity, and potential security risk. Therefore, while leveraging runtime variables, it is essential to carefully manage and validate inputs to ensure the integrity and security of the system. That's all about the runtime variables. Thank you.